on one of the carbs on the Suzuki, I noticed kept overflowing. The float level was preset at 17 mil, but it kept overflowing. So I took them apart and realised, after blowing down the fuel inlet, that one of the valves was leaking slightly, one of the little valves. So we changed the valve, it still leaked. So what I did, pop the float out for a start. There's the old, there's the new float valve, put that aside. And because you can't change these little float seals, what I did, I got an old float valve, put it on a small shaft, just undersize of the slot, put a little bit of grinding paste on the end, a little bit of grinding paste on the end of the rubber tip, because it's the same angle as the valve seat. So what you do then, you put the gently on the end of a drill, gently inside the valve seat, like that. And then you just rotate the drill, very slow, a few times. Check it, check it, check it. Blow it out with some degreaser, nice and clean. Then drop the whole thing back in again, like so. So put the pin back in. Put it through this way, it's easier. Then you can test it now by blowing down the fuel supply, which is this one, obviously. And you see, if you get a bit of, put a bit of cleaner round it to check for leaks, and blow as hard as you can down the fuel line, and nothing. It's now completely sealed, so that's now perfect. That can go back on the bike, and there you go. There's a nice easy tip for you, isn't it?